what level is the 72 names of Hashem?
Yeah.
According to the simple understanding of the Arizal, when we reading the second and third portions of the Kiryat Shema, we meditating on the 72 names in two possibilities from all the possibilities there is. So there's two possibilities the Arizal spoke about, that is the main ones. The first one in the second portion of the Kiryat Shema is basically the same as the Zohar in Parshat B'Shalach speaks about, and then the third one will be another possibility. So within those two possibilities, according to the Arizal, the first possibility, which is the second portion, the meditation for the second portion of the Kiryat Shema, as it is found in my Siddur and basically every Siddur of meditations, is the Tikun of the Chagad of Zeran Anpin. And the next possibility, which is the third portion of the Kiryat Shema, is the Tikun of the Nai of Zeran Anpin. Okay? And if we take those two and we compare that to the 42 letters name, which is the koach, that will be the first portion of the Kiryat Shema, and that will be the Chabad of Zeran Anpin. So we have the Chabad by the koach, the Chagad by the first possibility, it's called Yashar Afuch Yashar, and then the third possibility, the Nai of Zeran Anpin, which is called Yashar Yashar Yashar. Okay, that's like the Yashar Afuch Yashar or Yashar 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 is the codes for the different possibilities of the 72 names. Okay, so that's obviously, like any meditation, there's many levels of how to meditate on it. Yeah, so the simple basic way is, while you're saying the words of the Kiryat Shema, second and third portion, to meditate on those combinations of the words that are found there above the words that you're saying. So you say the words of the portions of the Kiryat Shema, and you meditate in your mind, you're visualizing those combinations of the letters of the 72 names. Now, obviously, someone that is capable to bring into his meditation not only the visual meditation of the letters, but also the meaning of them, that's obviously much more meaningful. And someone that will be able also to imply into that the whole work of bringing the light of Hashem and combine it with the Yud Ke Vav Ke and so on. So that will be another level of application. But that's a very high level. But that's the way it should be done. Okay, the ultimate way of doing those meditations is basically to connect those combinations to the light of Hashem, or Ein Sof, and to bring it with the Yud Ke Vav Ke, and to connect it, and then it activates another system that it's a whole world that is coming out of that. It is a result of that. Okay, so that's like a key point, like an intermediate part of making the connection between the name of Hashem and the other parts that is more external. So that's my humble understanding in that. But obviously you'll ask different rabbis and you'll get different answers about it, because there is many sources, and each rabbi, according to his soul, is getting the connection differently. So
From the Baal Shem Tov, the Ari.
my understanding is basically according to the Arizal, as far as I understand it, with the help of Hashem. Baruch Adonai Le'olam, Amen v'Amen.